happening? Confiscate my screen. Hi, Dad. Is it just in California? And that too, too much biscuit. Nothing is charged. Oh, thanks, thanks. Need to charge my phone. Thanks. There's a lot of people. Waffle House. I agree. Waffle House was really good. Their waffles are really good. How are you? It's been a long time. You guys know each other, Roy and Pat? That's cool. Waffle House is busted. Should I drink right now? Did you go to Waffle House? Oh, I went off stream. Waffle House was gonna be my Instagram content, so I was trying to do Instagram, but like, you know, I have so much Instagram footage. I think being an Instagram is too like not my style. It's too hard.
Some more maple with cinnamon cream syrup.
Oh, he said this is cinnamon something. And this, I mean, oh, that's hot. Maple syrup, hot maple syrup. You guys think it's fun? You were like, no, I didn't have a hangover. I try to control myself so that I never get a hangover. Why is the syrup so warm? Jimmy, but a lot of the IHOPs closed. There's only one in Richmond. And I don't know where the other IHOP is. But the Richmond IHOP is very, like, disappointing. I don't want to go to Richmond. But, like, I don't look good in pictures. I guess I just have to keep taking pictures of myself. Maybe I'll take a picture right now. Yes, Lane. I don't know. I'll think about this cookie. Soda, I don't know. I didn't look for them. Thank you for calling, Christina. Oh, I can't wait for my pancakes. Should I keep taking pictures? Do I make you guys feel uncomfortable if I keep taking pictures on the street?